Hi, my name's Chris. This is my truck. We call it the 75Dually. Today I'm going to be doing some exterior video. In the near future I'm going to be doing video on the 12-valve Cummins that we installed last year. On top of that, I'll be doing video of the interior, the suspension, and the air ride as well. I hope you stay tuned for those videos. But do me a favor, mash that little subscribe button down below. Also, its little friend, that bell, if you push that, you'll get notified of future videos. Stay tuned.
Plugged in, polarized, fist raised in anger, staring down, don't meet the eyes. Everyone's a stranger, 1,000 tunes ringing in my ear, no time for conversation. 1,000 channels wired to my brain, no thought, just sensation. Don't look at me, can't see, I don't wanna talk to you.